This game contains strong images, scary signs, and flashing lights. Use headphones for better experience. I should be a voiceover.
Yeah, you should do my video voiceover.
Hello everyone. Oh my god. Oh, I've just started. What happened? What happened? Where am I? Oh my god. Oh, it's a loading screen. Polaroid Studios. We are back, as you can tell, with another Roblox horror game. We're just gonna skip this. Because, I mean, who cares about the dialogue, honestly? Isn't this what happened last time? Where I got really scared and I died? Isn't that what happened last time? With the, map box? Balls. That's blood. We just started! Get out of my face! What is that? I'm not going over there. You can stay over there. I don't trust that. I don't trust anything about this place. Let's follow the arrows. That's a good idea. No. 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 Don't whistle! I didn't do that, I'd like to say. I didn't do that. That's random. Okay. Off. Why am I still running? Don't run. That's a red light. We're not going over to that. That's bad. That's bad. Bad colour. This is the exact same game. Why did it run up to me like that? Wait, I wanna go somewhere else. Give me a second. I have another plan. I don't know what any of these mean, first of all. So no, it's almost it's impossible to click these buttons, I'll say that much. We're just gonna go to the second one. I have to do that level? Oh my god. I don't like that creature. Isn't it called Timmy or something? I saw somebody playing another Backrooms game. It was called Timmy. He liked chicken fingers. The problem is I crouched, and I shouldn't have done that. I should have ran like a normal person would have done in any other horror game. It's probably a bad idea to run right now, but I feel like doing that. I know I have all these other buttons. I'm scared to use them. Arrow. You know what? I trust the arrow. This is not good for my mental health. Just saying. It isn't good. Why? Why do I play these games? It's for the content, it's for the content. For the fucking content. Get in the vent! Oh my god. To be honest, I didn't even think I was gonna go past that level. No! Oh my god. Okay. I have a passion for the back rooms. But I don't like this. I'm having a seizure. Volts. What? What? We need backup.
3 hours later.
The problem is I'm gonna have to crouch down closer to the device.
Yes. Yeah, that's fine. Right. I'm not joining.
I'm gonna have back problems after this.
Oh well, it's fine. I crouched down all the time.
Okay.
Wait, have we even done the intro yet?
No, we haven't, but I started playing it and I did an intro. Actually, no, I didn't. I didn't do an intro.
Do an intro.
Okay.
But we need to do an intro. You can't just start a video without an intro.
Well, I can't do it now.
You kind of can. Just.
I'll do a voiceover when I'm editing.
Oh.
What, do you want to do an intro then? You do it.
No, I'm not doing an intro. I don't even know what channel it is.
It's my channel. You don't even. Okay, let's start now. We're going to the Backrooms 5. I wish I could turn sound down on this.
I love the backrooms, you know. Backrooms is everything. Backrooms is the best.
I hate the first level. I'm just gonna say that now.
Wait, what?
I hate the first level.
What is the first level? Fine. I just called you fine.
When you first land in the Backrooms.
Okay.
We can just skip this. We can just skip the not the intro. We can just skip the dialogue. We know how people end up in the backrooms, don't we?
Do we?
Do you? Have you not done your research? I know I have.
I've watched the video and everything.
Backrooms.
Camera rolling.
This just says polar. It doesn't say back what.
Action.
Double tap. Oh my god, I see you. What do you want to do do you want to do the dialogue? Oh, never mind. Hello. I think we need to stop. We need to go. It's gonna come after us.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm supposed to do. Crouch, run. Where do we go?
We need to find arrows.
We don't need a flashlight. It's not that dumb.
Well, I'm scared.
Oh, there's something over here, Claw. I found an arrow.
Arrow, where?
Over here.
Okay, follow that arrow.
It says up here. What? Does that mean down here?
Yeah, down here. Down here. I need to catch my breath. I'm actually having an asthma attack. My character has asthma. That's good to know. Ah!
I have asthma in real life. Why are you screaming for?
I saw. Oh my god.
Oh, dude. I saw it too.
Oh my god. It had the sound effects and everything.
I haven't got the sound on. I'm so dumb.
I don't know how to turn sound down.
Arrows here. Arrows here. Down here.
Okay. This is good. Yes! My character's having an asthma attack again.
We did it. Yay. We did it. Yeah. Why did I think it's Dora
Dora the Explorer.
Dora the Explorer.
Dora. Turn your flashlight on, now it's dark. Did you just go under me?
I don't know. I just started running.
Hello. This isn't the exit 5, we need to run.
No, it's not the exit. I'm just saying we found the exit.
Look behind you.
I know this room. I've heard of this room before.
There's a monster coming for us.
Yeah.
I don't know where it is. Oh, look, we need that. I'll do this. You go find the other levers.
What?
We need to...
You're gonna leave me on my own. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, God damn you, Claw. I want to be seen by it. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna die. I already know I'm gonna die. Did you just whistle?
No, I didn't do that.
What are you doing to me? Ah, why is there pink stuff everywhere? Oh, I haven't found the other lever.
I want to see if it sees me or not.
What do I do?
You keep pressing the arrow. Like, don't press it, but, like, hold it down. Why my screen is shaking, it's coming towards me.
Ah!
Did you just...
Ah!
You just die.
I found the thing and I just ran into it. Oh, I died.
Oh my god, I hear it from here.
Cool.
Yeah.
I died. I'm dead. Do you wish to respawn? Yes. I've got 4 lives left, so I'm respawning.
It's right by me. I see it over there.
That thing was weird.
It's talking to me.
I've done one level, okay?
Ah! It's coming towards me. There's no way I can escape it.
I found it.
Yeah. It's very loud.
Dead.
Yeah, don't want me to respawn.
Yeah. Help.
I found another lever.
No, I think I just saw you. Oh, I see it. Oh, I died.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'll join you again then, I guess.
Do you want to, leave and join again? Because I've accidentally set it to the lobby, so, the first level again.
Camera rolling.
Yeah, sure. Should we just reset character?
Yeah.
Good question. Why has it got a phobia on there?
No idea. Maybe it's fear of the back rooms.
That was so loud. I think my ears may have just started bleeding. I feel like I'm getting high off incense sticks. I had so many yesterday and now I'm having even more today. I'm gonna get high.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna walk into school high.
Gassed out.
Yeah! This does not help asthma at all.
We should make a horror channel together. I'm just struggling on a name.
I don't know.
no, anything but that.
We just call it Fire and Claw. Or Claw and Fire, I don't know. I just
I
whistled.
heard that. How did you whistle? Oh god.
Did you just whistle back?
Yeah, I did that.
Okay, I got scared then. So,
Oh my Jesus Christ! You actually scared me.
where are you? Can you see me?
I'm right behind you.
Oh, wait, really? Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Greetings,
You can't
friends.
see me.
Greetings, Trevor.
We're going the wrong way.
Oh.
We could try and confuse it. You know, you could whistle and I could whistle, like while we're doing the pipe thing.
Yes. Great idea. I'm having an asthma attack.
It's a tentacle monster. I think it's like fast.
Don't you dare get any ideas.
Oh yeah. This is a child-friendly channel. This is a child-friendly channel.
Off.
Are you sure about that?
You saying stuff?
No.
Yeah.
Is this tunnel? Oh wait, no, I found the end.
It comes out of this corner, I think. Where is it? Where are you?
Here.
There you are.
Ah! Well, that went good. Ah, help!
I'm expecting.
No, this ain't funny. Help! Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Come and kill me. I don't care what you do. Come on.
No.
Kill me.
You have to do it.
No, I'm not doing it. Because I'm going to be alone. Who are you?
I had to do it. I had to do it. Like you weren't here, so you know you have to do it.
My screen's going blurry. Does that mean he's near?
If your screen shakes, I think that. Oh look, there's a pipe. I'll tell you if he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's
I
coming.
don't care. Kill me. Run! Is he still following? My camera's shaking. Oh, red level. What's that?
Ooh, that could be useful. Oh, there's also another pipe. What the? Now, what does that red button do?
No.
Oh.
Let me in.
Oh, I think you need to do all the levers to get that up. Okay, now you know where that is.
No, he's right there.
Well, there's another one there, so now we know where that is.
How many levels are there?
I think there's like 4, maybe like 3, 4. You're doing good, you're doing good.
Thank you.
What the hell is that? That's my body, that's my... Oh, there's another pipe over there. There you go. That's like 2.
This is giving me very, very bad anxiety right now.
How many levers is that? Oh, is it there?
I've done 3. No, please don't kill me. I'm innocent. I've done nothing wrong.
Keep going, keep going! Oh. Me too, he's right behind me.
Just let him kill you.
Just let him kill me? Okay.
I surrender. Kill me.
You are dead.
Ah, I thought you said this was child friendly. You just swore. Ha! We should really allow some other people to join.
Oh, fuck. Oh, reset character.
Why?
I didn't set it to full rooms. I see you in the cutscene.
In the what?
Camera rolling.
I want to watch this.
Bathrooms.
Action.
Oh, yeah, I remember this.
All right, cut. That was good, guys.
Why am
yeah,
I
that was good.
blocky? I'm very
I'm thinking we get a wide angle and we're done. All right?
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, wait,
Okay, how much?
Oh my god, look at
four.
you. Oh, I fell.
Hello? Is anybody there?
I'm inside you.
What?
You just fractal.
Oh, that's not a nice view. That's not a nice view. Chloe, you do not want to know what I'm saying right now. Oh.
I think we broke the game.
Yeah. We've been on call for 31 minutes, and apparently according to the recording, I've been recording for 51 minutes.
Recording for what?
16 minutes now.
Oh, okay. I thought you said 51.
I did. I meant to say 15, but now it's 16. Oh damn, it's right outside there. Oh damn.
Where are you?
I'm in the vent and the dude's just there. Keep going.
He's there. You can't be in the vent.
No, I mean he was standing outside the vent.
We should do that distraction thing that we talked about.
There you go. A whistle.
Yeah, just like that. What if I'm in the vent and I just lead him to the vent or like one of us do that while the other.
Oh god, I found him. He's there, right in front of me. Whistle now, please. I'm confusing him. It's funny. Oh wait, I just banged my head.
There you go. I'm gonna go back in the vent now. I'm a scared child. Did he get you?
No, I don't know. I don't know what it was. I just said, ah! What the? And he's right outside. He's right next to me. 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 He's gonna kill me. I'm dead. I'm gonna use one of my lives.
Okay. Should I just distract him?
Yeah, I guess. No, I accidentally pressed back to lobby.
We're never gonna complete this. This is even harder than doors.
Oh mate, don't even get me started on doors. I never did that. We never finished it. We honestly never finished it. We just died.
Yeah, I played it with you once, and then I did.
No, twice. You played with me twice, I think. But we didn't record the second one. That's a spoiler alert.
I did a Doors episode
Yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah, I saw.
It was scary.
Did Jimmy get you? Was it Timmy?
Jimmy?
Is it Timmy or Jimmy? And what is the spider's name? I swear it was something like that.
Yeah, I think it's called Jimmy. I absolutely hated that.
Oh, it's adorable.
Like,
He
for,
is.
like 3 minutes into the video, I was like, nothing's come to get me yet. And then,
Jimmy.
oh shit! I think I've See, I think I've messed up more than you.
Did you do it again? Are we like camera?
I did it.
You know what? This recording is gonna be. Actually, don't actually take out anything.
It's comedic.
Yes. Don't take out anything. Don't remove anything from the video. Just be like, I can't be. Just don't.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Fine, then I will. I'm recording it right now. I'll just make my own YouTube channel and post this video. Done. This is the actual recording, the one that was fake.
I can screen record. You're gonna have to send me those recordings, so then I can screen record those recordings, so I can edit it. It's a whole process for me.
Join. I joined.
Okay, don't worry. No, get out! It's Anna. No! No, I didn't mean to do that!
Just leave him in there. He might be able to help.
I accidentally gave him ownership.
Why? Well, he might be able to help us.